Hey guys, Frugal Stu here. Today I'll be sharing my thoughts on the iPhone 12 mini Spigen Tough Armor Case. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button for videos on tech, travel, and financial related topics. If you're looking for a durable case on a budget that offers reasonable protection, this is for you. You can pick up this case for around $15. As you can see here, this case includes foam inserts, which adds an extra layer of shock resistance. This is an improvement, as the previous Spigen case for my iPhone XR did not have these. Still, even without these inserts, my iPhone XR has never been damaged after dropping inside this case. I have had this older Spigen case for about 2.5 years and not had any issues with the durability of this case. It is safe to assume these added foam inserts will only strengthen the protection of this new case. My favorite feature of this case is the kickstand on the back side. I like this option and use it almost daily for watching videos when I do not want to hold my phone. The kickstand is solid. I've never had any issues with it breaking, even though it is made of plastic. After using this kickstand, it's hard to enjoy other cases that do not have this feature. Many people comment on the kickstand and inquire about this case when seeing it being used. The overall thickness of this case is acceptable. It's not too bulky inside my pocket, but offers reasonable protection for everyday carry. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I hope to continue to bring relevant content for the frugal-minded buyer and be a good steward of finances. Every purchase on this channel has been thoroughly researched. Thanks for watching.